In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks effectively using HubSpot. Task management can often seem overwhelming, but with HubSpot, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips to streamline your processes and stay on top of your daily activities. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This is your starting point for managing tasks within HubSpot. The user guide offers detailed insights and resources to maximize your use of HubSpot's features. Now, once you're on the user guide page, look for the Tasks section. Clicking on Tasks will direct you to the hub of your task management activities. Here, you'll see all tasks displayed in a streamlined manner, making it easy to keep track of what needs your attention. Next, look for the Create Task button. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this button allows you to start organizing your tasks in detail. Now that you're ready to create a task, you'll need to think about what needs to be accomplished and jot it down in the Task Title section. The task title is crucial as it succinctly describes the activity, helping you quickly get an overview of what's to be done. After naming your task, the next step is to determine the task type. HubSpot provides various task types that help you categorize your tasks effectively. Whether it's a call, an email, or any other activity, specifying the type can assist in organizing and prioritizing your workload. Speaking of priorities, deciding the priority of each task is critical. You know best what needs urgent attention, and by setting task priorities, you can ensure that the most important actions are not overlooked. This functionality not only enhances efficiency, but aids in maintaining a steady workflow. Now, let's move on to associating your tasks with relevant records. This is a feature that truly sets HubSpot apart. By clicking on Associate with Records, you can link your task with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. This means your task is now connected to the related record, allowing you to have a full context of where that task fits within your broader objectives. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering task management in HubSpot. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly updating and reviewing your tasks can lead to clearer goals and greater productivity. Thanks to HubSpot's intuitive interface and features, managing tasks can become a seamless part of your routine, allowing you to focus on achieving your goals efficiently.